Hello, and welcome to the first video in this tutorial series on Mountains, Digital Surf's industry standard software for profiler and microscope data analysis. Let's begin with a little vocabulary. There are 5 words you need to know before you begin to use Mountains: studyable, study, operator, document, and workflow. A studyable is any type of data that can be analyzed using Mountains. Profile and surface data obtained from profilometers or images obtained from microscopes, to give just a few examples. A study is a frame in the document which displays data or analysis routines applied to data. An operator is a tool used to modify a studyable. Studies are shown in a document which can consist of different pages and can be edited, saved, published, or used as a template. The workflow is an interactive tree view of objects in the document, showing the relationship between studyables, operators, and studies. Now that we've mastered the basics, let's open Mountains and create a new document. The File Explorer can be accessed on the left and lets you browse to documents and studyables. To open a studyable, double-click on it. The workflow appears on the right. Operators and studies can be accessed via the contextual ribbon, which appears at the top of the interface. Now you're ready to start using Mountains. If you'd like to learn more, check out the next tutorial in this series.